In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create invoice in Zoho CRM. To get started, open your Zoho CRM account and make sure you're logged in so you can access the main dashboard. Once you're inside the platform, take a moment to orient yourself with the menu options. This will make the process much smoother, especially if you're new to Zoho CRM or if you don't use the inventory tools very often. From the main menu, click on Inventory. This section is where Zoho CRM keeps records related to products, sales, quotes, orders, and invoices. If your account layout looks slightly different, just look for the area labeled Inventory, since that's where invoice creation begins. After that, click on Invoices. This will open the Invoices module, where you can view existing invoices and create new ones. If you already have invoices in your account, you may see a list here. Don't worry if the page looks busy at first. The key thing you're looking for is the option to make a new invoice. Next, click Create Invoice. This opens the invoice form, where you'll enter all the important billing and transaction details. This is the main part of the process, so it's worth taking a little extra care here to make sure everything is complete and accurate before saving. In the form, enter the subject and the date first. The subject should clearly describe the invoice, so it's easy to identify later. For example, it might refer to a product sale, a client project, or a service provided. Then add the invoice date carefully, since this can affect your records, reporting, and payment tracking. After that, fill in the purchase order and any other necessary details requested on the invoice form. Depending on how your Zoho CRM is set up, this may include customer information, billing details, item information, pricing, quantities, tax, or related sales data. Be sure to fill out each field accurately. Taking a moment to double-check the information can help prevent errors, confusion, or delays later on. Once everything is filled in and reviewed, click Save. This will create your invoice and store it in Zoho CRM, where you can return to it later for editing, tracking, or sharing as needed. And that's how to create an invoice in Zoho CRM. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll be able to generate invoices quickly and keep your records organized.